Okay, darling. Pipercross V1 Armor Induction Kit, Part 1, Take 1.
Right, so we did an unboxing video. We've done a few actually before. We've done one on AirX. We're going to redo an AirX one. We've done one before on the winning touch detail. We're going to start doing a bit more of these. This is the Pipercross V1. This is actually a kit that's sold for an M240i. It would also fit the M140i, 340i, and 440i. We're just trying to show you what you basically get in the kit. This is an expensive bit of kit, a stunning bit of kit. So I'll get it all out of the kit and show you.
I think if you try and say kit once more as well, that'd be great.
These are a stunning bit of
equipment.
Stunning modification. I love the dry carbon. They do some gloss carbon as well. I think M3s and M4s are gloss because it'll match with the underbody brace. We've done them before. M2 ones as well are dry. But this is the dry carbon kit. But like anyway, we're trying to show you more of what you get in for your modifications for your money. When we do Instagram, you'll see a picture of an exhaust fitted, or you may see it underneath the car. So we're going to start showing you what's involved, you know, the clamps, the processes, the valves, etc. So the first one today is the Pipercross V1 kit for M140. So in the kit, this is quite a good kit. So in short, you basically get a new intake system which bolts to the back of the turbo. Replaces on the M140, it has two mufflers. This will bolt to the back of the first muffler. So the second one gets reduced, normally is here. Comes with a new MAF boss, so obviously the original MAF plugs straight into here, and it comes with the free flow Pipercross filter. This kit is actually developed by Armour, but then reworked for the UK, I guess, if you like, by Pipercross. It does come with a new heat shield. So the original airbox is quite good on them, and what is also really good about the original airbox, it does come with a heat shield. What Armour also do is have a heat shield. So obviously the turbocharger is here, so if you're looking at your bonnet, this is the part you open up, turbocharger is here, your headlamps are here. So the intake goes through, picks up on the original feed from the grill. As you can see, it's lovely, lovely, lovely. Also, just to point out, it does pick up on the original points. So when you take the original airbox out, this just puts back in its place. So nice bit of kit, very factory looking, once it's all in place. As I sort of said, only a few parts this one, comes with all the clamps, also fitting there necessarily, full instructions, pictured instructions, Pipercross hat. So the main difference is obviously why you take your original airbox out, the original system, quite restrictive, it's also quite quiet. So by fitting a system like this, which obviously a lot more sort of free flowing with an open filter, you are going to see a benefit of improved performance. So improved sound, throttle response and performance, mid-range pull. What more do you want? What we will do is we got this car booked in very early July, so we will show you a before revving of the engine, and then obviously with this installed as well revving, so we'll do a couple of drive-by shots as well. The trouble is, some of these things are really difficult to necessarily show when you listen to it on your phone, so we do express if you're really, really interested, come across, we can fit it to your car, see if you like it, I'm sure you will, and we can go from there. Any other questions, please just comment and ask. We love questions, we love being able to help out as much as we can. Any more information you need, just let us know. We are doing more unboxing videos, so yeah, let us know if it's something you want to see more of. If not, then we'll just stick to the nice glamorous shots of cars rather than me and Patrick talking about products.